Okay, now we're moving on to bearings. A bearing gives the direction of travel from one point to another, so not the distance, but the direction. There are two ways which bearings are commonly written. The first way is compass bearings, the second way is true bearings. Let us look here at compass bearings. It has three parts. The first part is either north or south. The second part is the size of the angle. The third part is either east or west. So looking at this example here, the first part is either north or south. So for this example, is this line here, is it closer to north or south? Well, the answer is south. So it starts with the south. How far from south is it? There, we're told it is 20 degrees from south. And in which direction is it from south? So in other words, have we moved 20 degrees towards the east or 20 degrees towards the west? And the answer is 20 degrees towards the east. So that is a compass bearing for that first example. Looking at this second one. Is this line here, is it closer to south or north? That line is closer to north. Second point, second part. How far from north is it? Well, we can see there. It is 40 degrees from north. And from north, have you moved towards the west or have you moved towards the east? Well, from north, you have moved that way. That is towards the west. So that is how you write things using compass bearings. Remember, three parts. Is it closer to north or south? How far is it from north or south? And is it towards the east or west? Now let's look at true bearings. True bearings are the distance from north in a clockwise direction. Always has to be 3 digits. So let's look at this first example here. How far is this line from north? Well, it's 25 degrees from north. Remember I said it had to be 3 digits. So that's how you write 25 with 3 digits. That line there is 25 degrees on a true bearing from north. Let's look at this second example here. See this line here? Alright, how far from north is it? It is all that way around, which is 250 degrees truly, so from north. So with true bearings, it's always how far from north they are.